Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Buzz UK channel. I'm covering off Ethereum today. Obviously, I've just uploaded a video relating to Bitcoin, which you can see if you click on the banner above. Similar sort of analysis, similar style, quite punchy. It's what I'm seeing in the sort of long term. Really just taking a step back and looking at the key structures that are in place. As you can see here on the monthly chart, we've got two key levels, the $1,400 level and the $500 level. I'm not saying it's going to $500 anytime soon, guys, but you can see there's a big air gap in between. I don't think there's tons of market structure. There's a little bit here, but the main thing is that this level here has been key. And in terms of sense checking, Ethereum going back in time in terms of declines, as you can see, going from top to bottom, a 94.3% correction. And if I was to do something similar here, we've got all the way to 70%, and if I was to go further, we've got something in the region of just shy of 90%. So 94% back in sort of 2018 bear market bottom, and we've got a range for me, a no-nonsense buy zone again, between 70% and 90%. It's a big range, fine, not fussed. I will probably be adding to my position anywhere between that range. Not going to get greedy on that. So if I just get rid of these measured moves on the downside and go to the weekly chart. The weekly chart, we're in a structure, so that's where I got the two lines from. I've just put a green box there for the buy zone. Similar to Bitcoin, really, I do think we have been in an upward parallel channel. It's lasted a number of years. Everybody's focused on the $1,700 level, which is marked by this horizontal line here. Today, we've effectively had price action below it, officially, properly, for the first time, unless within the next 2 hours we get bought up and it was a huge fake out. I do think that's unlikely. I do think we have breached that level, and I do think we retest that level only to then get rejected. The reason why I say that is because if I delete that level now, you can see on the upward parallel channel we had a lot of activity, interaction with it here to find support in it. Eventually got rejected, eventually found support. We tested the upper channel here, huge sell-off, talking matter of weeks. We tested the bottom of the channel again. Then obviously we had a nice run up several months to the November peak, and eventually we've had effectively a move down, only to bust through the base of the upward sloping parallel channel, and obviously only today breaching the key 1700 level, which is why I think actually things are going to move a little bit more quickly. And in terms of, similar to my Bitcoin video, we just looked at a historic pitchfork, or a pitchfork based on historic key levels. So if we take from the bear market bottom all the way to the November 2021 top, you can see, I'll get rid of this parallel channel now, get rid of $1,400 line, the range. You can see here, going back in time, the green line, we obviously got rejected hard to the point that we tested the lower blue line. We eventually broke through the green line here, back tested it twice, and then we rallied. We rallied. We didn't even back test the median line on this occasion, which is why I do think we test it, okay, on the upper part of the no-nonsense buy zone. But you can see here we found resistance on the green line. When was it? Yeah, it was back in February, March of 2021. We rallied up, found support on it again, okay, on the green line. Eventually that led to our November 2021 peak. Found support on the green line. Found resistance on this downsloping parallel channel, which I think we're also in, and obviously we've officially rejected it. We dropped through it with some volume, as you can see, and we've struggled to get any higher, and as I said, today we breached the 1700 level, which is pretty significant. And I do think if I go if I zoom out a touch, most of the accumulation occurred in this range here. We found support on it, crucially, in this range here. I do think, and we had no interactions in the median, in or around the median line here. That's why I do think there's a lot of air gaps here. I do think we come back down at least to the median line, which is also the green no nonsense buy zone. We drop further or in or around the green line. Sorry, that's the red line. In or around the green line again. Whether we bounce straight off it or not is academic right now, but that's pretty much the premise of my approach on Ethereum. As I said on my previous Bitcoin video, listen, these things are going to take time to play out. I've seen it before. There's no point in rushing to take action, whether it's on the buy side. I think it is probably a little bit late to be selling. I do think we take our time, stick to the plan, and watch and wait really. But I do think there's going to be key action or material movement in this among this red median line here, given that we've had an absence of it here. Or we could just fly straight through it, anyone's guess. But that's what I see on Ethereum. And I do think in terms of the range here, put it down as August 22 to January 23, very similar to the Bitcoin approach taken on this buy zone. I do wish you guys well wherever you are. If you do like the content, find it interesting, please like and subscribe. I do upload videos regularly and keep you guys updated. Have a good one wherever you are. Cheers. Bye.